What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today we're installing coilovers on Grant's E30.
The squatted stock suspension E30. So these are MTS Technics. It's basically eye-block springs, ground control coils. It's a little bit of a budget coil, but I really just need camber plates to like tuck the front wheels more, give it some more negative, and then fix the squat in the rear and lower the front a bit and make the car not drive like it's on 40-year-old suspension.
Yeah. So here, I'll get a little first look at how it's sitting right now. As you can tell, it's much more squatted in the rear. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna change that.
I'm thinking probably raise it like 1.5 inches in the rear, lower it like 1 inch in the front.
Yeah, yeah.
That would probably be good. So basically, I've kind of already gone through this. I'm not gonna lie, but
Here goes the spring.
So it's gonna be eye-block springs.
You already know.
And then
Oh, look at that bad boy.
These are based off of ground control, as it says on the box.
Sick, sick.
That's gonna be the rear setup.
Looking pretty solid.
Use the lock nut.
It's gonna roll up. I'm gonna put that over there.
Instructions. They gave us this fancy little sticker that kind of matches my paint.
Dude, we're gonna slap this right here on the paint.
I was thinking like just right there.
Oh yeah, just beautiful.
I'm not even gonna bother trying to open this correctly.
Got both the springs. Look at that. Beauty.
Then this is where all the magic is, right here. In the front with my unwelded setup.
I don't got a lot of room.
Yeah, literally. Should have bought a 5 Series.
Ooh, ooh. Oh my god, there she is.
Yeah, in the flesh. MTS Technic.
That thing looks nice, bro.
And then spring setup. I guess it comes with like a helper spring. I haven't seen that before, but I would assume it's gonna go like that.
Yeah, that would make sense.
And then over here in this other box,
I got 2 boxes. This is a double unboxing video.
Oh yeah,
that's crazy.
The best part of it all, the camber plates.
Dude,
for
look
all
at
the
that.
stance kids.
Look at that.
So yeah, we're not even gonna worry about any of this yet though until we get the car up in the air and get the old ones off.
Yep. Yeah, we're gonna raise the car, start taking everything off. Once we do that, I'm gonna start welding these bad boys, and Grant's gonna put on the rear, so we'll catch up when that starts happening.
Struggling out here.
Is that the first one on?
Yeah. I need to actually tighten it though.
And the spring and trailing arm need to be connected.
Looks pretty solid in there. Looks much nicer, I will admit.
Well, yeah, it wasn't exactly a hard competition to beat compared to the last one. Yeah. Can I grab the wrench? He's like fucking 2 inches from my head.
Come on, Grant. Come on,
like
Grant.
right where I'm trying to walk.
Okay, so unfortunately our power went out, so we have the generator going on. Can't really do anything about that. But we have both of these out. So we measured them to 45 as instructed. Put a little piece of tape there. Next step, angle grind that off, and then we'll start welding. Alright, about to send it. Rest in peace, Grant's stocks fucking struts. See if I can do this right. Don't fuck it up. Oh, that's hot. Oh, oh! Oh, I should not have done that on this. That was a terrible idea. That was a terrible idea. That was not a good idea.
What, did it leak all the gas out?
Yeah. And it's all over the fucking paper.
Not the paper.
Oh! I got squirted on, bro. Not the first time.
Whoa!
So it's okay when a girl does it, but when my E30 does it, it's you. You're all, that's gross.
It's a little bit of a different scenario, you know?
Well, you made the comparison.
Dude, look at this thing. This thing's got range, bro. This thing has range. That's crazy. Wow.
We should probably spray it with like brake clean or something.
No, what you gotta do is you take what's the fucking, a blowtorch and you burn it all off. God,
Is it not flammable?
I don't think so.
It's
I hope
gas
not.
on the inside of a shock. I feel like it would be.
I mean, we can test, we can give it a try. See if it is or not.
We don't even know if it's flammable. I want to see.
Okay, we're just gonna test. I have to get rid of this anyways. So, we're gonna see. Yeah, definitely not flammable. If you ever need to get rid of, like, oil in your papers.
Oh, dude, it smells like shit.
You just burn it off and it all comes out. So.
Not really.
Yeah, but look at, it's working. Magic, bro. Yeah, so I'll do the rest of that at a later date.
That's what it smells like when you take it.
That's not gonna be fun to clean now. Fuck. Should not have done it on that. Oops. Oopsies. Oopsies. I made a mistake.
What are we working on?
Alright, since the angle grinder, we couldn't make it all the way to the very end, I had to break out the handy dandy saw. So I'm like sawing the last little bit right here, which I think I should be done right about, let's see, can I kick it off? Yeah, there it is.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Oh, she's still leaking.
Oh,
still
she's
leaking.
pissing.
Yeah. Okay, so that's gonna be hot, isn't it? Nope, we're good. Boink.
And then this guy right here.
Look at that, beauty right on there.
Is that even gonna fucking fit? It just like
Yeah.
sits in it, right?
Sits in it? What do you mean?
There's like a thing on the bottom. I don't know. I've never done this before. Big E36 guy.
We'll figure it out. Okay, now that we got this all cut and ready to go, I'm gonna slide this bad boy on here, and we're gonna give it, I think we're gonna do halfway, because I don't want to weld it up here, because then it's got no structural rigidity. So I'm gonna weld it. Oh no, it's fucking stuck on here. I'm gonna weld it down. I don't want it bottomed out because Grant's not gonna be a stance boy with this car, so we're not gonna do
The oil
that.
pan is the lowest thing.
Yeah, Grant needs to buy a skid plate. So we're gonna weld it like here, and then yeah, should be good. Wait, do that again, bro.
Not a shot.
Do that again, bro. What you doing? What you doing
Unless
with
you
that
weld
coilover,
these
bro?
for free.
What you? Wait, Grant's got an OnlyFans? Hold up, wait a minute.
You want these coils for free? Then I'll do it again.
Okay, I finished welding this bad boy. That's good. So all we gotta do now is hit it with some paint, and it should be good. As you can tell, I had to do it in a few different pieces because I couldn't do the whole thing in one little line. But the welds themselves are pretty decent. I can confirm they're going to hold. That's for sure. So yeah, we'll catch up when we do the next one. Grant got this side all done, all in there, looking nice. Got the rears too. So this whole driver's side is all done. Now I got this one set up. I'm gonna start welding that, and then after that, I think this side. Is this side done? This side's done too. Look at that.
The rears and the front are done.
So Grant just needs to do that, get that one set up, and then after that we can put them all together and put it on the ground. Alright, I just finished welding this one. This one I did a little bit better just because I did it in less pieces, but that doesn't really matter as long as the welds go all the way through. It should be fine. The worst part about welding these is the fact that you have to weld, I don't know if you guys can see, in there, and it's hella hard to get the gun in there, but I was able to do it not too bad. I don't think the welds back there are too bad. So yeah, we're gonna put everything together and then she'll be on the ground. All right, big reveal. All the coilovers are on.
It's literally gonna be like 6 feet in the air
Let's find out.
with a 3-foot wheel gap.
Oh no, it's not too bad.
Wait, let me pull the e-brake while we do the rear.
Oh, yeah,
As
okay,
we saw in the
okay.
last video,
Yeah.
it makes a difference.
No, front's good.
Yeah, front looks great.
See what
If
happens.
the rear drops like an inch, I'll be great because then it'll settle and it'll be a little better.
Let's see.
Right?
Yeah. Didn't really change by much. I mean, I'm sure it's gonna settle though.
Maybe this will help.
Oh, are you gonna stand on it? Oh yeah, that's how you break in new coilovers for sure.
Dude, it's so much better than it used to be though.
It is. Oh dude, the camera in the front looks crazy.
No, that's perfect. That's like literally perfect.
Damn, bro.
Any less and the wheels will be poking.
Was your lift like this before?
Huh?
Fender lift?
Yeah, that's always been kind of pulled out.
Yeah. Kinda just.
Yeah, no, that's good in the front.
So good.
Maybe even a little less camber up front, just to get it flush. But we look like all the way back here.
Yeah, I feel like you could, the rear you could drop a tiny bit.
I say drop the rear and then take like half a degree of camber out of the front.
Yeah. It looks good though.
No, I'm hyped on this. This is great.
Do you want to lower it before we go on a ride? A little test drive?
Yeah, well the front, okay, so the front's perfect. I say let's just dial the camera back a little bit and then we'll do the rears real quick.
Okay.
Oh, it feels nice and peppy.
It does.
Dude, honestly, like, I mean, obviously I've driven it like maybe a quarter, half a mile, but like, so far it feels exactly how I wanted it to.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't feel like too stiff, nor does it feel like too soft.
Very dailyable.
Yeah.
It's not like bouncy, but it's definitely not like stiff by any means.
Yeah.
That's like perfect.
Yeah, it definitely rides a lot smoother than mine. That's for sure.
Yeah, your car feels like it's on washies.
Yeah.
I'll go the wrong way.
Are we gonna doing a bump test right now?
See it scrapes on this? I don't think so.
Nah, easy money, bro.
Oh, sweet.
I have an idea. Let's hit that bump over there at like 30.
No. How about let's not and say we did. Or just go the wrong way through the parking lot.
Yeah, wow, you're just breaking every law there is, bro.
I haven't gone to this school in like what? Fucking 5 years, 6 years? I think we're fine.
Yeah.
They're all, fuck that kid, we remember him.
Bump test. One. Oh, little scrape.
That was exhaust. That doesn't scare
Little
me.
exhaust scrape.
Ain't nothing a little self-clearance and can't fix.
Oh.
Mint.
Easy money.
Let's see, 15, we'll do 20.
Not too bad.
It's actually pretty chill, yeah.
Definitely stiffer than it was before, but I'd say that's definitely a good thing.
This is like, it's perfect.
Yeah.
I think these are the street series. I'm glad I didn't go with the sport. I wasn't sure how soft the streets would be, so I was a little hesitant. But
Yeah.
no, this is perfect.
Yeah, I think for a cruiser that you're gonna drive hard occasionally, this is definitely the right setup.
Yeah, I'm so used to like all my cars being stiff now. Like I didn't want to get coils and be like, oh, it's too soft.
Yeah.
Because like I prefer to like stiffer than soft, honestly.
What are your final thoughts as you munch on this?
The sandwich
this
is really
sandwich?
good. That's my final thought.
The sandwich is good. What about the coilovers?
The coils feel good, but I won't admit that they feel good until we fix the brakes because it's literally driving me insane. It's like I can't be happy about the coils until the brakes aren't making awful noises.
True. Yeah.
So, other than that, it's not a lot of body roll, which is good. The rebound is like pretty fast, so it's not bad. I think it'll take some getting used to, but I mean, other than that, it was exactly what I was going for.
Yeah.
Now I don't have ugly poke in the front either because camber plates.
That is facts.
So
Does look a lot better.
rear's a little high. I'm gonna let it settle, see how much it goes, and then might drop it like another half an inch. But the front is, the front's perfect.
Yeah. Yeah. I think that's gonna conclude this coilover video. It took a little longer than expected, but that's just E30 coilovers. So yeah, peace.